Okay, I'm going to try and do this without getting my head in the way, but I wanted to show you how to fold the basic shape to make the cowl. So you can do this shape knitting or crochet, 7 or 8 inches wide, anywhere between 26 and 32 inches long, depending on the size of your neck. And I'll show you how you measure it round your neck. But once you've got your basic shape, I bring one end down, I bring the other end down so I get this end and match it up here. It helps if you fold this over and then you can sort of see. And I sew from this point up to here, and I sew from this point onto this short piece that's under here, and then you can just add your buttons, whatever you think looks nice. So I'll do that again. So it sort of helps if you just fold this back. Then bring one side so you've got a point. And then get this other side, and you want to match it along here, so you put this against the point. Does that make sense? And then you just sew up your sides. And that's your basic shape of your cowl, because that'll be sewn up so it won't come undone. And then you can choose. It looks totally different if you've got a striped colour, which side you do. But once you've got it sewn up, and then I turn it, once I've sewn it, I don't like seeing the stitching, so I turn it inside out. So that is your basic shape. That's just how you fold it up. Very simple. Fold over the middle first, bring that down so there's a point, put this other side down to the point and this along that side. You can just replay the video if that helps you, and sew up your sides. Right, I hope my head wasn't in the way. So for some of you it might just be easier to see how I measure on myself. So it's about 7 inches wide. If it's for a child you won't have it as wide, and mine are usually about 29 inches long. If you've got a bigger neck, the more length is how you make it bigger. So I just put it on, get my hair out the way. If you fold it over at the back and start the curl of it, the shape, and then I just pull one side just a little bit. I don't stretch it, but I just pull it there. And then I bring the other side so the other bottom of the side matches up with that point. So this goes up the side, and this goes up the side up here. So if you've got a much larger neck, the length, add length to it. And if you've got a very skinny neck, don't make it as wide, because you don't want too much bulk up the back here, but gee, it's lovely and warm. So I'll just do that once more. So I put it around like this, and I just pull one up to the side, and I fold it over, and I just find that other point here. So you've got this side running up here, and then I put a stitch marker when I've got the corners done, and a stitch mark up here. Just hold it, and then this is then sew, and I put a stitch marker up the top here just to hold it, and I take it off and I sew it. So that's how I get the size. So if this was really too tight, I would do a longer length. And if you're doing it for a child, you'd do a much shorter length, and of course narrower. So I hope that just gives you an idea. So that's why I keep telling people it's how you fold things, the same as a cocoon cardigan. You can knit a square, and you can also knit a cowl. It's how you fold it into shape. So I hope that helps. I've had a lot of questions. Okay, having a lovely day in the sun, sorting up my buttons. So I'm trying to sort out which ones will look nice. Keeps me busy. Okay, I hope you're having a good day. Bye.